Hey guys, today I'll show you a new way to get Twitter followers for free. I have personally used this method to get this account to 1,000 followers. Kindly stay till the end so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first, we had only one follower on our Twitter account. Now open your browser and make sure you're also signed in to the same Twitter account. After that, open a new tab and type this keyword. Select the first website. All the followers has been sent completely. Now let's check our Twitter account. If you noticed, we now have 11 followers on our Twitter account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.